everybody, it's Bunny, and boy do I have a crazy video for you guys today. And oh my god, it's been forever since I've done a shoe unboxing on this channel. Actually, you know what? I've done a couple on banana peppers, but not on this channel in a very long time. So I guess I wanted to bring back shoe unboxings on this channel with something very, very strange. So if you've read the title, you probably read that today we are going to be talking about fried chicken shoes. Did you guys hear that KFC and Crocs were coming out with KFC Crocs? Because that's what we're looking at today. Fried chicken themed shoes, fried chicken looking shoes, and you guys, they are supposedly fried chicken smelling shoes. If you guys are KFC fans, which I have to admit, it has been years since I have eaten at KFC, and I know this might sound kind of crazy, but more than the chicken at KFC, I love the biscuits. I swear there is no other biscuit in the world that tastes as good as KFC biscuits. What are they putting in those biscuits? Why are they so delicious? Unsolved mysteries. KFC over the years has come out with all kinds of weird products that is not chicken that I have really wanted to get for a very long time. They've done candles and even like a log you can place in your fireplace that I guess would make your whole house smell like fried chicken. They also did nail polish that I think was edible, which is just kind of weird and disgusting on many different levels. Why haven't they done perfume, by the way? KFC. You gotta take that idea. But I have tried to get some of these like weird KFC items in the past, but I feel like I always found out about them a little too late. And I feel like every time they do one of these like weird products, they must make like 15 of them because as soon as this thing launches, it's gone just as quick. I love Crocs. I love Crocs shoes unironically. So when I saw that Crocs and KFC was coming out with this crazy chicken shoe collab, I knew that I really, really, really wanted to try and get them. A couple of months ago too, I actually did an unboxing on my second channel for a special edition of like Crocs food collaboration, and these are some of my favorite shoes that I currently wear. They are Crocs collab with Peeps. You guys know the little like marshmallow candy? They are so cute, and they actually have three-dimensional, like the Crocs charms are actually called gibbets, which I don't know if I like that name. It's kind of like, it sounds like Jello or like something kind of nasty. I don't know. But anyway, the gibbets that came with the Peep shoes are like actual Peeps. They look like Peeps. They felt like Peeps. You guys know if you ever touch a Peep, they got that like granule, sugary feeling. They were very accurate. I was very, very impressed with those shoes. So basically, I was even more excited for these. So these, I believe, were originally meant to launch in February, but because of all the COVID stuff, they got pushed all the way back. And then like randomly, I saw on Crocs Instagram page, like, I don't know, a week ago or so, they finally said that the actual drop date, I think was like the 28th of July. These ended up getting shipped to me super fast, and I didn't even pay for expedited shipping. So I'm pretty impressed. But you guys, this was definitely the most difficult shoe, if not maybe the most difficult item I have ever like had to try and purchase online in my life. Literally, I feel so lucky to even have these shoes because they must have sold out. I don't know how many pairs they made, but it must have not been many. And I was on my computer and on my phone trying to get them. My mom, dad, and Dogman were all doing the same thing. We were all sitting there with a computer and a phone because you ended up getting in this like virtual queue line. Like just because you're in a queue in a line, like you're not guaranteed to get a pair. And even if you got through the queue, there was no guarantee that they were still gonna have your size left. It was crazy. So out of all these devices that we had going, I was the only person who even got through the wait list and was able to buy a pair. So I feel so lucky because I have been so excited for these for a very long time. So let me give you guys the eye in the sky camera so that you guys can kind of see the unboxing experience here with me. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm quite disappointed with the packaging, especially once I just saw the Peeps shoes that I told you guys I recently got. At least those came in a shoe box. I thought for like a collab like this, that they would come in a limited edition shoe box, maybe with like limited edition paper, something like that. No, they just arrived to me in like a plastic bag, with this plastic bag inside of that plastic bag. So you guys can see it does say Kentucky Fried Chicken X Crocs. And then right here, it says, do not eat. The only thing that I'm kind of nervous about, you guys, if I'm being honest, is the freaking smell. Because years ago when I went to LA and I went to Disneyland, they had air fresheners at Disneyland that tasted like the various snacks that you could get. So they had like a Dole Whip, a Mickey pretzel, churro, I think, like the ice cream bar. It smelled like chocolate. What did my stupid self choose? Yes, the turkey leg. I picked the turkey leg air freshener. For whatever reason, I didn't expect it to like so realistically smell like turkey legs, but it was so pungent and I zipped it up with my luggage. And that's when I used to like mail clothes like back and forth to LA because I wanted like more outfits than I could bring in a carry-on. And oh my God, like I would have liked to never get the smell of fried turkey leg off of my clothes. So is it gonna be like that? Is it gonna be strong like that? Am I gonna gag? I don't know. Right now, as I'm like wafting the bag past my face, I don't smell anything because the air freshener was still wrapped. Oh God, I just got a whiff. Oh, okay, eye in the sky. We're gonna sniff these shoes together. And that just sounds gross on multiple levels, but ooh, you guys can see something from a former video. Eye in the sky. So I think a lot of people were counting on, when they were doing like the promo for these shoes, they showed two different styles. These like low top normal Crocs, and then they showed the platform Crocs, and oh my God, those really looked like a bucket of chicken. I'll insert a photo. And I think a lot of people were waiting and hoping that they were gonna come out with the platform style, but those were just for like campaign purposes, I suppose, because they never made those. So let's see. So here is, once again, like the hang tag thing, if they were gonna be hanging. Like if you buy Crocs at Disney World, they're on this. Oh God. Oh, I smell the chicken. I smell the chicken and I do not like it. Hopefully, like, how long is the smell gonna stay on these shoes? I almost just said something stupid like, oh, I can just put them in the trunk of my car for like 3 weeks, and then I bet the smell, like the heat would take the smell out. But then, oh my God, like what if my whole car smells like fried chicken? So I'm gonna promptly not do that, but oh my God. You guys, these are really interesting, and I swear other Crocs I have are not like this. So this whole like striped section is very smooth. I feel like normally Crocs all over have this kind of texture, which hopefully you guys can see on camera, but I feel like this literally matches the texture of a bucket of chicken, which, oh my God, does that sound disturbing or not? Like where the container would be smooth, but the actual chicken would be textured. Why am I saying chicken like that? But you guys, the best part, in my opinion, is these fried chicken gibbets charms, because, oh, they look like a real drumstick. And I love these kinds of things because truthfully, like I have, oh my God, and I should do an unboxing for those because I bought them and I haven't unboxed them. I have goth Crocs. Have you guys seen those floating around on the internet? But I have a couple of pairs. Like I've got like tie-dye Crocs, sparkly blue Crocs, camo Crocs. That sounds like something I would own. But you can always pop the charms off and put them on any other pair of Crocs that you might own. But oh, and then we have, what is his name? What is the Kentucky Fried Chicken man? I literally have no idea. All white. on the base there. Does anybody else just find Crocs are like indestructible shoes, you guys? Like, I feel like you can wear Crocs forever. So let's see if there's any like special hang tag stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off, which, oh my God, I can't imagine. I feel like the resale value on these, like I've seen people already trying to sell it, like I swear in the comments of the actual Crocs Instagram for like $200. And these are just the standard price of Crocs. I think they were like $59, like literally right at $60, because I think it was like $64 altogether with shipping. But they have this like hang tag here, Kentucky Fried Chicken X Crocs, and it's like a glossy, like the Kentucky Fried Chicken logo, and then it says do not eat. What else does that say? I'm looking at this upside down and backwards. They do say to keep them in good condition, avoid exposing them to the heat, which I'm gonna assume they're saying that if you want to keep a hold of this nasty, disgusting smell, I'm honestly probably gonna just like leave them in the garage. It's not as pungent, honestly, when you take them out for a little while, but I truthfully feel like maybe the actual shoe is not scented, but the little gibbets is scented. Yeah, you definitely could pop this off. Oh my God, just the actual, like, doesn't that literally just look like a freaking drumstick is sitting atop my shoe? So they just had standard sizing, and I am always a size 7 in Crocs. What do you guys think? Maybe the only design change I would make with these is the little heel holder, the little heel strap. I maybe would have made this the red and white stripe so that you could get that little bit of contrast here on the front, but it does blend together nicely with the fried chicken. Also, if you wear Crocs, you have to let me know if you actually use the heel strap. I feel like that always makes them fit so funky. I mean, cause like, look, the heel strap is like so much shorter. I feel like it always like shoves my toes to the front. It almost like makes them not fit anymore in a weird way, but I know a lot of people use Crocs for like outdoor purposes, like they're actually wearing them for long bits of at a time, or maybe they're like wearing them in like different kind of terrain outdoors. So maybe you would need that to like hold them on your foot a little bit better. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice too, the little like things on the side. What are these called? Like little buttons? The thing that allow you to like flip the heel strap front and back, but that even says Kentucky Fried Chicken X Crocs. So very smooth branding here. They look really, really interesting. And I feel like if I was like going out and about living life and all that, that's always one of my favorite things about wearing like crazy shoes in public. It always creates these like interesting moments. I always like to have these like micro transactions, micro interactions. That's the word I'm looking for. I always like to have these micro interactions with strangers. It's just kind of like a way to break the ice if you just like talking to random people. Is that odd? I don't know. I'm sure lots of people like to do that, but yeah, these are definitely a freaking conversation piece. So I know at some point in this video I have already tried them on so you guys can see what they look like, but here is one last look at them on my feet. You know, like I said, they are standard fit and feel with normal Crocs. I feel like a Croc is a Croc is a Croc, and the only thing that changes is the actual like what the pattern or print is. But other than that, I've never gotten a Croc that fits any different from any other Croc. So you guys are gonna have to let me know in the comments down below what y'all think of these, and if you miss shoe unboxings. I hope you do, because I'm gonna be bringing them back. I miss doing those. I really miss like getting excited about shoes. Like I miss the old shoe days. Like I wish we would have something new like the Jeffrey Campbell Litas, because I feel like that was like a magical time for shoe collectors, right? But anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all again very, very soon. Bye!